Hi, I'm Mateo, and today I will be making chocolate chip cookies. I'm doubling the recipe, so first I'm getting 1/2 cup of butter, and since I'm doubling it, I need 1 cup of butter. So I've pre-measured all of my ingredients. So 1 cup of butter, and then scoop it. Scoop it into the bowl. It looks weird. Okay. Okay. Now I need to heat up the butter. So I preheated the oven. So I melted the butter off camera, so now I have to whisk it until it's fully melted. So next step, I have to put in brown sugar and regular sugar. I have to mix it in with the butter. So I have 1/2 cup of sugar, and then since I'm doubling it, this is 1 cup. So I'm gonna pour it in. And then I had 1/4 cup brown sugar, so double it, and it's 1/2 cup. So I'm gonna pour that in. It came out as one thing. Okay. Now I'm gonna whisk it. Okay, so step 3 is to mix the vanilla extract with eggs. So the original recipe calls for 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. So multiplied by 2 is 4. This is 4 teaspoons. This is 4 teaspoons of vanilla extract. So I'm gonna pour this in. And then gonna crack the eggs. Throw this in there. And I forgot. The original recipe calls for 1 egg, but since we're multiplying it, I'm gonna put 2 in. So that's the first one, and this is the second one. Okay, so now I'm gonna whisk everything together. Okay. Okay, now I'm done whisking, so put that down. So step 4 is to add the flour, baking soda, and the salt. So the original recipe for the flour was 1 3/4, so I'm gonna multiply it by 2, and it would be 3 1/2. So this is 3 1/2 cups of flour, so we're gonna dump it in there. It's a lot. Whoa. Next, I'm gonna put the baking soda in there. And the original amount was 1 teaspoon, I'm pretty sure. And multiplied by 2 would be 2 teaspoons. So, yeah, this is 2 teaspoons. Okay, yeah. So, now pour this in there. Okay. So the original recipe for the salt was 1/4 teaspoon, and multiplied by 2 is 1/2 teaspoon. So this is 1/2 teaspoon. I'll pour it in. mix it all together. Okay, so the next step is to pour the chocolate chips into a cookie dough. So, this is 2 cups of chocolate chips. The original was 1 cup, so multiplied by 2 is 2. So I'm gonna dump it in. It's a lot of chocolate chips. So now I'm going to hand mix it. Don't worry, I wash my hands. Okay, so I finished hand mixing the cookie dough. So now I'm going to grab a tablespoon. It's a little small, but gonna get some, and I'll scoop of it, and then I'm gonna place it on the table. I don't know what this is called. The oven thingy. The oven thingamabobber. This thing. I forgot what it's called. I get a few of them. Might be a little. These things won't come off. They have lots of chocolate chips. So, I mean, if you don't like chocolate, then too bad. Because there's a lot. And I think I put in a little too much. Too much. Poop. So, once I'm done with this, I'm going to come off. Come off right now. Okay, so when I'm done, I am going to put this in the oven for about 7 minutes. There we go. Okay, so I am done with this. I'll put this on here. Okay, so I've put I've put 9 chocolate chip cookies on this. I'm gonna put it in the oven. It's gonna be baking for around 7 minutes. So put in. Wait. Now I'm gonna put it in. This. And then I'm gonna tell Doodle, set a timer for 7 minutes. Hey Doodle, set a timer for 7 minutes.
All right, 7 minutes, starting now.
Okay, I finished the cookies. They're finished baking. Now I'm gonna take them off the baking rack, I think. Yeah. But I burned myself so hard. Okay. That's better. I know, wrong side. So I got this one. Okay. Gonna try to scoop them off. this is how they look in the end. Don't look the best, but I'm gonna be eating this one. And then this is how the other one looks. Also don't look the best, but hopefully they still taste good.